Okay, so I've been talking about my accidental lessons in networking. As I said before, as an introvert, I never really spent time with a lot of people. I usually had one best friend in life, and as I went to another phase in life, there was another one. Big crowds were always really not my thing, and didn't really see a value in them, and could have gone through life without. However, through a series of events, I ended up starting to like networking because of the accidental lessons I was learning. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was, and the value to myself in new friendships and obviously new business connections far outweighed my fear, which if you are an introvert watching this, you know that's huge, right? So if you haven't already, I just want to give you a huge tip. Go ahead and find Susan Cain's book about introverts. It's fantastic. Cain is her last name. And it'll give you the confidence to know that you really do have a lot of value to share with the world. And the more you share it, the more the world is a better place. So definitely feel comfortable in your own skin first. But as you start to network, I'm going to share with you another accidental lesson. So this necklace right here. Um, it was actually, it's got a story to it, but whenever I wear it, people comment on it. They come up to me and they say, wow, that is a really interesting necklace. And so it's helpful to me as an introvert because, again, somebody's coming up to me and I'm not having to go up to them. Now, obviously, the direction of the conversation is now dependent on me talking, but it helps to have a conversation piece to have people come to me, if that makes sense. I say yes, it was actually given to me by my grandmother. I love to wear it every occasion I get. She was a very special lady, always, gregarious, outgoing, loved parties, and so I get to talk about her and it lights me up, and then I'm kind of warmed up to talk to other people. So conversation piece, wear one. It can be an earring style that you like, or a bracelet, or a ring. If you're a guy watching this, I got nothing for you. I don't know what you would wear, honestly. Um, but that's been a really helpful thing for me in networking. And again, accidental, totally accidental. I literally wear this because I like it. But I have noticed that it helps me to make connections. So there's your accidental lesson number 2. I hope it's helpful to you. If it was helpful, please feel free to share or subscribe to my channel. And I would love to hear your comments in the comments below as to something that you've worn that has helped you strike conversations, or if you do read Susan Cain's book, what you got from it. All right, have a great day.